Welcome to the Competence FBOVS 301, Prepare Vegetable and Starch Dishes. Today we'll be focusing on learning outcome 2, Cook Vegetables. Let's explore the key topics we'll be covering in this session. First, let's outline the topics. 1. Applying vegetable cooking methods. 2. Presentation of vegetable dishes. 3. Holding vegetable dishes. Now let's delve deeper into each topic. Applying vegetable cooking methods. Roasting. Chef Joseph selects a variety of vibrant vegetables. He preheats the oven and then begins to prepare the vegetables for roasting. Other ingredients are seeded to ensure even cooking. Chef Joseph arranges the prepared vegetables on baking sheets. The vegetables are then roasted in the oven until they develop caramelized edges and a tender interior, bringing out their natural sweetness and enhancing their flavors. Moist heat cooking methods. Boiling. For another component of his dish, Chef Joseph decides to prepare a flavorful vegetable broth to serve as a base for a delicate sauce. He gathers an assortment of aromatic vegetables such as onions, celery, along with herbs like thyme and rosemary. These ingredients are chopped coarsely and added to a large stock pot filled with cold water. Chef Joseph brings the pot to a boil over high heat and then reduces the heat to a gentle simmer. The broth simmers for about an hour, allowing the vegetables and herbs to infuse the liquid with their flavors. Chef Joseph periodically skims off any impurities that rise to the surface to ensure a clear and clean-tasting broth. Once the broth has developed a rich flavor, Chef Joseph strains it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids, and sets the strained broth aside to use in his sauce. The presentation of vegetable dishes. The presentation of vegetable dishes is vital for highlighting their health benefits while enhancing their visual appeal and taste. Guidelines for presentation focus on plating techniques, garnishing, portioning, and creating contrasts in colors and textures. Plating involves arranging vegetables attractively, while garnishing adds visual interest and flavor. Portioning ensures balance and a visually pleasing layout, and contrasting colors and textures add depth to the dish. Application of presentation techniques such as serving as a side dish, pureeing for a creamy texture, or presenting crudite style caters to diverse culinary preferences and occasions, enriching the dining experience. Temperatures. Holding vegetable dishes. Maintaining vegetable dishes at optimal temperatures is crucial for safety and taste. Proper holding prevents bacterial contamination and preserves nutritional value. Hot holding tools like warming trays maintain dishes above 60 degrees Celsius, while refrigerators keep them below 4 degrees Celsius. Immediate transfer to suitable equipment after preparation ensures dishes are served fresh and flavorful. Efficient holding techniques are essential for delivering dishes at their peak quality. In summary, we've covered the application of vegetable cooking methods, the presentation of vegetable dishes, and the importance of holding vegetable dishes. Now, let's assess your understanding. Why is it important to consider factors like firmness and color when selecting vegetable dishes? How do presentation guidelines contribute to the visual appeal of vegetable dishes? What are the benefits of proper holding techniques for vegetable dishes? Reflect on these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. See you next time.